Samsung Galaxy AI.
AI.
The AI.
In the Chinese market, Samsung has opted for its Galaxy AI software, replacing Google's Gemini. As reported by CNBC, the upcoming Galaxy S24 is set to utilize Ernie, a creation of Chinese company Baidu, to manage the robust functions of its AI software. Positioned as Baidu's counterpart to OpenAI's ChatGPT, Ernie aims to address the demands of users, with ChatGPT boasting an impressive user base of over 100 million. As per a business statement, Ernie is designed to translate and summarize lengthy content into clear, intelligently organized formats. According to Baidu, its chatbot can also respond to users in a human-like manner. The company introduced Ernie 4.0 in October, touting it as the most powerful version of the chatbot since its inception in November 2022. Additionally, the program is reported to possess reasoning capabilities and the ability to comprehend various concepts, as highlighted in the publication. Furthermore, according to the news, Baidu is collaborating to enhance the S24's real-time call translation feature, alongside incorporating a version of Google's Circle to search. For consumers outside China, Samsung's Galaxy AI will rely on Google's AI model Gemini as its foundation. This software offers features such as Chat Assist for live translations, akin to Google's Magic Editor. Previous previews of Samsung's software hinted at robust on-device capabilities alongside functionalities accessible only through cloud-based services, necessitating an internet connection. Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra continues to push the boundaries of Android phones with its brighter flat display and impressive speeds. The device is also among the first of Samsung's AI phones, as it's powered by Galaxy AI. Such software provides the device with real-time call translations, a form of magic eraser, and even more on-device capabilities. Also, as we have already discussed in our previous videos, if Galaxy S24 would be the smartphone of the year, so finally, the popular American YouTuber MKBHD has already declared the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra as the phone of the year in his latest review. The tech influencer, known for his in-depth reviews and analysis of smartphones, showcased the device's impressive features and capabilities in a short video posted on his channel. So have you tried the Galaxy S24 Ultra? How did you find it? Do you think Samsung could have improved something? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.